Get ready for high school now. Hello, Nirvan. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. So, Nirvan, we have now gone a long way. We're now doing grade 9 level mathematics. Today, I'll introduce you to what is polynomial multiplication and how do we do some operations by doing FOIL, multiplication, and addition operations of polynomials. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Great. So, for our viewers, Nirvan, just tell about yourself and then we'll begin with the class.
Hi, my name is Nirvan. I'm a grade 5 student and I've been studying math since summer.
That is 6 months. And in 6 months, you have covered grade 6, 7, 8, and now you are in grade 9 level. So that's a great going. And to all our subscribers and viewers, really, if you want to catch up with the middle school mathematics, you can follow the playlist which I'm making with Nirvan. That'll be excellent for you. So, Nirvan, for today's lesson, I have prepared some material. Let me share with you that and introduce you to what we are going to do. So, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So, we're going to master the strategy. So, when I say master the strategies, you know literally what I mean, right? You will be at a much higher level than any grade 9 student performing the similar operations. Now, see, we have different kinds of multiplications. We will have terms like a times b plus c. So, when you do this kind of a multiplication, a gets multiplied with both the terms inside, and what you get is ab plus ac, right? You
Yes.
understand this step? Now, if I have numbers involved with the variables, for example, 2x times 3x plus 4, then 2x gets multiplied with 3x. And what you get is 2 times 3, which is 6, x times x, which is x squared. The exponents of x get added up, right? When you multiply 2x with 4, 2 times 4 is 8, and x remains 8x. Perfect?
Yes.
Now we could extend this multiplication to trinomials. Trinomials means we have got three terms. You see this? Multiplying with 3x. So when you multiply with 3x, the x squared terms, it becomes 3 times x cubed, right? So when you multiply this, what you get is that, correct?
Yes.
And when you do 3x times 3x, you get 9x squared, and 3x times 2 is 6x. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
You did all this, so you are very clear about all this operation. And then we have FOIL, right? So in FOIL, what we do is we multiply a with both the terms, right? So we get AC and AD, as you can see. And then we do the same operations with B. Both the terms we multiply, we get BC and BD, correct?
Yes.
Many times we have these binomials with variables as shown here, and that is the result which you get. Now, during our exercises, we'll give you practice questions here. So at the end, you'll find practice questions. Only practice can help you improve your mathematical skills, right? You may know a lot, but without practicing, you can't do much, correct?
Yeah.
So, Nirvan, you have actually practiced all these things well before, but here is the set of questions which I like you to now do. So, we will move on to the exercise with you, right? Okay, so let me erase this. Correct. So, clear. So, we'll begin with very simple operations. Nirvan, can you do what is this? 3 times b plus 2 is equal to what?
Yeah. So 3 times b would also be 3b
Yeah,
plus 3 times 2, 6.
correct. So, that is very simple. And as I said, here are the practice questions. So, for our viewers, you can practice. For example, if you take up 2b times b minus 3, Nirvan, what will you get? Can you tell me?
So 2b times b is going to be 2b squared.
And minus 3 times 2b will be how much?
That's gonna be minus 6b.
Perfect. So that is how, you could do along with us and then make a note of what we have. And that should help you to really practice. So here is the next question, Nirvan. Can you answer this question? Write down on the board and then answer the question now.
Okay, so 2a times 3 plus a is going to be, so 2a times 3 is 6a plus 2a times a is 2a squared. So we want to write it in the other terms, right? So the other way from order.
Yeah, this is per other way. You're right. So you have to always write. So Nirvan is telling us that you should always write in perfect order, higher degrees first and then the lower degrees. Perfect. That is excellent, Nirvan. So we'll move on to the next question now. So can you tell me what is the answer for this?
And
Yes, please.
wait, repeat the question because I had to restart.
5x times 2x minus 6 will give
Okay,
you what?
5x times 2x, 5 times 2, 10. And then you
Yes.
got 2 x's, so x times x is x squared minus, and okay, 5x times x, 5 times 6, 30x.
Perfect. That is correct. So let's move on. Nirvan, you can erase all this. We'll move on to the next question. So this time, as you can see, we are adding two different multiplications by polynomials. So Nirvan, be careful doing this particular operation. Can you show us how will you do this?
Okay, this is gonna be a little different. Okay, it's okay. So x times 2x. So just leave 2 first. X times x is x squared. So x squared minus. So x times minus 6 is going to be minus 6x, right?
Correct.
Plus 2x times x. Just leave the 2 x's, so x squared plus 2x times 3, 6x.
Perfect.
Now we have to arrange the terms from highest power to lowest. So you would again do 2x squared plus 2x squared plus, let me keep this separate, minus 6x plus 6x.
So no need to write this plus and minus. You can write straight away minus 6x
Okay.
plus 6x. What do you get when you do this?
Okay, let me write. So you'll get 2x squared plus 2x squared is 4x squared.
Perfect.
And that would be minus 6x plus 6x is 0.
Great job. So what we did was, so Nirvan, you multiplied and you got this answer as 4x squared. That is absolutely correct. Great work done, Nirvan. So let's move on and take up more questions. Are you ready for these types of questions, Nirvan?
Yes.
Great. So here is the next question for you. Can you please answer this question now?
Okay, 3x times 3x. 3 times 3, 9, 2x, so x squared.
Yeah.
Plus 6 times 3, 18. X plus, okay, 4x times 6, 4 times 2, 8. 2 x's, so x times x squared. Minus 4x times minus 1 minus x.
Correct.
Okay, now we have to arrange it. 9x squared plus 8x squared minus
No,
4.
copy as a plus 18x minus 4x.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want me to just do the bigger one?
Correct. No. Order.
From the order.
Whatever was written first,
Okay,
so
yeah,
that you
because
don't miss.
18x is way bigger than 4 minus 4x, so. Oops. Okay.
Continue.
18x minus 4x. So what you get, 9 plus 8, 17x squared plus 18 minus 4 is 14x.
Perfect. That's great job done. So let's move on. So you know how to multiply and then add, right? So
Yeah.
let's move on to the next set of questions for you. So now what we will do is we'll multiply trinomial with one monomial. Can you do it and then tell me what do you get?
Yeah, so you see there's an x squared, there's a 3x, and there's 2. So that's in decreasing order.
Yeah,
You see. So this one, just leave it as 10. So x squared is x times x, and there's another x there. So there are 3 x's. And if
correct.
you want to
Multiply.
multiply them together, then it'll be 10x cubed
Perfect.
minus 10 times 3, 30, 2x, so x squared. 10x times 2, oh, it's 10 times minus 2 is going to be minus 20.
Perfect. So that is absolutely right. So once again, a reminder to all the viewers, these are the questions for you to practice, correct? So I like you to practice these questions, right? So that will help you to really master these strategies. So we'll move on to the next question. So we have many questions in this particular video, variety of them, and this time we have slightly bigger question for you, Nirvan. Can you do this?
Okay, so it's in order again, I can see. So x times 4x squared. So let me just leave it as 4. It'll be x cubed minus x times 2x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 2x times 3x is going to be 6x squared minus 4x.
Perfect.
Arrange the terms in order. 4x cubed. Okay, which one? Plus 6x squared minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 4x.
Very good.
Okay, 4x, so you would leave this as 4x cubed, nothing to do with it, plus 6x squared minus 2x squared. 6 minus 2 is 4x
Yes.
squared plus 5 minus 4, 1, so x.
Perfect. So there is no need to write one. Another thing which you could always do is keep on writing equal to sign as each statement you made was equal to the previous statement. Is that clear? Now,
Yeah.
to our viewers, we like you to, practice solving these questions as we are repeating. Please do it. That will help you to really master these strategies. So now we are again moving on to the next set of questions. So I hope you are enjoying this journey of learning with Nirvan. So here is another big question for you. Remember, there's a negative sign in between. So now, Nirvan, can you multiply and subtract the two polynomials?
Okay, so equal sign first, right? So
Mhm.
2 times 3 is 6, x cubed minus 2 times 2, 4, x squared plus 14x. Okay, minus, let me keep that part separate. 2x cubed plus,
No, minus, because you're multiplying with negative. So every sign will be
okay,
negative.
yeah. So
So multiplying.
every sign is going to be minus. Okay, got it.
No, every sign will change, right? So plus times minus will be minus.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Or else if it was minus, then minus minus plus all the time.
correct, correct.
Yeah. So minus,
Reverse the sign when you multiply with negative.
we were at the x one, right? In the
Yeah, yeah,
middle.
yeah. So at
Okay.
present, what you're trying to do is to multiply this with x, right? You
Yeah.
already done the first one.
Minus 2x squared minus 6x.
Perfect.
So you will leave 6x cubed as such. Minus 4x squared minus 2x squared. Oh, I missed something. There's
Yeah.
a,
So we'll
yeah,
add this. I'm going to erase, rewrite.
yeah. Sometimes it's difficult because the cube looks like an actual number.
Yeah, yeah. So you have to write carefully, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, you improve it.
Can I write down in the white part so it's
No, no, that's okay. Continue. Continue. I
like
know writing on screen is not that easy. Your handwriting is very good otherwise.
this? No, where is the okay? Minus okay, minus 2x squared plus 14x minus 6x.
Good job.
What? There's another one. No,
So there
14x.
has to be 3 and 3, 6 terms. You already have 6 terms, right? So,
Okay, yes.
so
Yeah, I
you
got.
can count the number of terms.
Yeah, I won't have space there, so I'll write.
You can write a white portion here.
Okay. So 6 minus 2. Always subtract the numbers first, or else it'll be difficult, sometimes
Yes.
confusing. It's not like if you minus, it's not like you cancel x cubed both of them.
Yeah,
It'll be,
yeah.
it's not like that. 6 minus 2, 4x minus, okay, minus 4x squared minus 2x squared. That's gonna be so 4 minus 2, more minus 6
Correct.
x squared. Is it a plus? Yeah. 14x minus 6x. Mm, yeah. 14 minus 6 is 8. So 8x.
Perfect. Beautifully done, Nirvan. That's very good. Now let's move on to the next set of questions. So that's excellent, Nirvan. So that was a very difficult question, which you did very easily. I'm amazed to see your skills. Now we are doing FOIL, distributive property, Nirvan. You remember how do we multiply them? Can you please multiply and show us the multiplication?
Okay. Okay. So this is different. You have to use distributive property because you can't leave it like that. There, there are no values really that you can see right now of A, B, of A and B. So you'll have to multiply 2A and 3A and then
Correct.
2A and 2B
Correct.
as he showed in the beginning.
Correct. So multiply 2a with 3a and 2b. Right down.
So you're left with, let me start. So 2A times 3A, 2 times 3, 6A squared
Yes.
plus 2A times 2B, 4AB.
Perfect. For a. Good job.
Because nothing's duplicated or anything. Plus,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
now
All
you multiply with B.
correct.
So B times 3A is going to be 3AB,
Very good.
A times B, plus B times 2B is 2B squared. Or
Excellent.
plus, um, can you go? Oh yeah, you can. Because
Very
they're
good.
ABs, right?
AB.
So
So
6
combine like terms.
combined like terms
Very good. Combine.
plus 2B.
No, no, no. 4ab and 3ab.
Okay, okay. Also, that doesn't matter.
Just
The
combine them
powers.
straight away.
Okay. Let me combine it. 7. What? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
AB.
Yeah.
AB plus 2B.
Great. So Nirvan, can you explain the whole process once again? What did you do?
So first, I started with multiplying the 2a with the 3a and the 2b one by
Correct.
one, and
Yes.
I expanded it. You don't want to multiply with the b because it's in one bracket, so you don't multiply that.
Yes.
Yeah, so after multiplying that, you multiply with b.
Right.
You multiply b with 3a and b with 2b, and then you get 6a squared and the rest.
Correct. So you get 2 plus 2, 4 terms, and you will see that two of them are like terms which were combined to get 7ab, right? So these are your practice questions. Please do them. That is going to help you, right? And in the playlist, we have many other questions for you. So keep practicing. We are almost at the end now. So let's see what is there after this. Okay. So it's again a FOIL. So one more practice question on 2x plus 3 times 5x plus 1, Nirvan. Can you please do it?
Okay. 2x plus 3. Oh, you don't do that again. Okay, so 2x times 5x. This one is a little easier because there are less variables, right?
Yes, 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 you're right.
So you won't need to multiply it again. This x is going to be the only one.
Yes, yes, do it.
And x squared and plus, okay, plus 2x times 1, 2x.
Correct. So it is done the multiplication with 2, right?
Yeah.
Great.
And now number 3, you need to multiply by 3 now.
Yes.
Plus 3 times 5x, 15x, plus 3. So what can you do now? 10, can you combine any terms? Yes. You can leave it as 10x squared, nothing changes, plus 2x plus 15x is 17x, and plus 3.
Perfect. So that's great. So you have combined, and this is a test question for you and all the viewers, which Nirvan will not be doing now. So Nirvan, this question you'll do later when you watch this video, not now, right? So I think we are almost at the end, and I hope you have all understood how do we multiply the polynomials, how do we add and subtract them, correct? So if there are any questions, feel free to send an email on the address given. I can always guide you, and you can learn the skills much early on in your middle school. You can be ready for high school. That is the whole objective. Great, right? Nirvans, we'll end our video at this time. So our lesson now is almost complete. I need you to now share with all viewers what did you learn from this particular exercise.
Today I learned more about polynomials, like how you multiply them together. And it can be difficult when you don't have, when you just have variables in the brackets and
Yeah,
not, it's a little bit difficult to do that one.
perfect. Okay, great, Nirvan. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you.